In this video, I want to show you interesting condos in our district. And for example, this one, Nara 9. And the second step is to find a person who will show you and show me this amazing place. Oh, hi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Are you living here?
Yes, I do live here.
Oh, great, great. Can I ask you some questions about this condo?
Definitely, why not?
Oh, great. And maybe you can show me the territory, or maybe if you have a pool in the building, the pool in the building.
Yeah, sure. My wife is not home, so I can show you everything. Definitely.
Great, great. Thanks a lot. Let's go.
Go.
And could you please tell me what do you have in this building?
Okay, so this building, it has a nice area outside, which is where we're at right now. It has 5 stories of parking, and on the lower floor, there is like a lounge area with the where you can sit and rather wait, eat.
Can we check it?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's
Then,
go.
yes, and then we also have a terrace on a 6th floor, pool on a 30th floor.
Wow.
And sometimes for the new year they open the roof as well, so on a day-to-day, like, the roof is closed, but you can also get access to the roof on special occasions. So this is the lounge area, waiting area, and yeah, there are some sitting places, armchairs. Everything is very green, very nice.
Wow.
Wake up.
And what is it?
This is like a lounge area. This is where you can read a book, drink a coffee, probably.
And can we check?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, very nice area. They have internet, Wi-Fi. So yeah, very nice. Yeah, and now I'm gonna take you guys to the lodge, to the terrace on the 6th floor. Let's go. Vamos.
You speak Spanish?
Poquito español, sí.
Wow. When your wife will come home?
Huh?
It's what time your wife will come home?
She's working right now. Yeah, I'm not sure. Once she's done, she's gonna come over. Why do you ask?
So you need to use a card, right? Here.
Yes. So 6th floor, there's an area on the 6th floor, there's area on the 30th floor.
It seems like flats. Nothing interesting here.
Yeah, I guess there are some apartments as well.
What you want to show? Ah,
Yeah,
wow.
This is the terrace. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it.
Okay, what's next?
Let's go to the 30th floor. Let's go. I'll show you the pool. The pool is the highlight of this place and the apartment. Okay, and this is the life. Yeah, this is the pool area. And the 30th floor. 30th.
Wow.
I think this is the best pool we've had so far in Bangkok. Very nice. Check out this view. That's over there. That's the tallest building in Bangkok.
Which one? This one?
The one behind this one. And it's a very nice place because there's not a lot of sun. And yeah, you can work out here. I see people working out here. And you have the view.
This is life. Cool. Something else? Something else?
Yes.
It's
So I'll
not.
show you
It's
our
not
space
enough.
gym. Yeah, there's but wait, there is more kind of thing. Let's go. And here we have gym area. Not a lot of equipment, but good enough. And very nice, beautiful views.
It's very hot here.
Yeah,
Whew.
it's a little bit hot
Hard to breathe.
in the second part of the day. But it's nice. Still nice.
Do you make a gym here?
Yeah, I do swim here. I came to this gym, I used it a couple times, but the best gym is downstairs with the pool. Half an hour a day. You don't need
I
much
hope
more.
your wife will not see this video.
I'll make sure she hears about that from you. And this is a co-working space.
Here is more comfortable.
Yeah, same nice view.
Mm-hmm. Wow. I prefer to work from this area than in office.
And every now and then you can find the small areas where you can chill. Very nice. Yeah, this is yeah, there are more chairs here. Very nice. Yeah, same nice view. And whatever you like.
Wow.
And we also have a steam room here. Yeah, hopefully nobody's gonna be in the bathroom. Right. Yeah, there is a nice steam room as well. That's very nice. Used it a couple times, and it was a very nice experience.
Thanks a lot for this excursion. I think this building is really amazing. I'm so impressed by this swimming pool and the whole area. And how much does it cost for you?
It is kind of slightly more expensive than average. The apartment itself is $1,500 a month, but that's because it was booked through Airbnb, which is usually like 30-40% more expensive. If I would go directly through the building, it would be like about 1,200. And there are different apartments. If you Google this place, you can actually book right on the website for prolonged lease.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I really like this area because it's not touristy at all. This area, those buildings, they are office buildings. So what you get here is normal type people, office workers. A lot of local food outside for people who come out for lunch. So a lot of very Thaish. Like it's not one of those touristy places with beer bars, with clubs. There is enough of that, but it's more local and more like for Thai people.
Cool.
Not for tourists. Yeah.
Cool. And is this pool extra charge in gym, or it's free?
No, it's all free.
Oh, wow.
It's all included in the price.
Great. And it seems like there are not so much people here, only one couple.
Yeah, that's a huge plus, and that's one couple more than usually present here.
Wow.
When I swim every day, I maybe like 1 out of 10 days is when I actually have to share it with somebody.
Wow, cool! It's cool. With this amazing view, it's a little bit windy, but still.
It's good. It's fresh. Like last year, we stayed in a different area, and it was hot all the time. Here, I don't know why. Maybe it's the area, but same months, same period of time, and it's very fresh, very nice, airy, lot of wind, nice temperature. So I love it.
And maybe you can show us your flat.
Do you want?
Your,
Do you want me to?
maybe you want to show me your apartment.
Okay. All right.
Can you?
Yes, of course.
Okay. At what time your wife will come?
Don't worry about it. She's working. She's working. Somebody has to make the money, so she has to go to work. And
Okay. Great. Thanks. Wow, so beautiful view. That's really amazing.
yes, the view here is the highlight.
Wow.
And this is 38th floor, and you can see everything almost.
Wow. Okay.
And the actual apartment, I mean, it's relatively to Texas, because in Texas everything is big. This is a small apartment, but related to everything else that's available here, like this is not bad. So there is a living room, kind of standard Thai kitchen, which means almost no kitchen, but that's normal. At least we have a nice fridge. Not every place has a nice fridge. And let's go check out the bedroom. And this is the bedroom. Very convenient, very comfortable bed. My office, that's where I work.
Nice view.
Yes. One of the best ones I had. And we have bathroom. And this is the bathroom. It's pretty nice. No tub, but a lot of places don't have them in Thailand. And yeah, this is our room guard. And, it's kind of smallish, but not for Bangkok. If there are better, I was checking other places on a website, and there are bigger apartments. There are 2-bedroom apartments, condo units, for about 60,000 baht, which is like 1,800, 55,000 baht, which is like about $1,800. So this is considered a nice place. So you got everything? You got all your answers?
Yes, thanks a lot for your time. It's really unexpected, very interesting house and condo.
You're very welcome. And now you need to leave.
Okay, and maybe can I have a water?
No.
My God. Oh my God. Okay.
The door is over there.
Okay, goodbye. Bye. Okay.